A very good morning, children. Namaste. So, this is the first video regarding the sounds. From now onwards, every time I will send a video regarding the sounds. You need to practice those regularly. Okay, children? Today, we will start with the sound A. Okay, children? What sound is that? A. See, observe how I am pronouncing it. A. Okay, children? Let's practice once again. What sound is that? Auntie is going to say A. Okay. Now I have few pictures with me. I will show those to you. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Now see, which fruit is this? And this is favorite fruit for everyone, right? May I know which fruit is this? Any guess, children? Yes, you are right. This is apple, right? Which fruit is this? Apple, right? Apple. And what is this? Alligator. What is this? Alligator. Now let's see what is the next picture. See, who is he? Wearing a different kind of dress, right? He is going to space. When we go to space, we will wear a different kind of dress, right? So we call him as astronaut. Right, children? Who is he? Astronaut. What is this small insect? I think you all know this, right? Any guess? Yes, it's a small insect, right? This is a ant. What is this? Ant. A ant. What kind of a tree it is? Yes, the name of this tree is aspen. Which tree is this? Aspen. What is this tool? This is a tool which we use to cut big wood logs. Which tool is this, children? Yes, this is axe. What is this? Axe. Axe. What they are doing? They are dancing, right? But where they are dancing? I can't see any stage. Yes, they are dancing in the air. See, with the help of the ropes, they are dancing in the air. This form of dance, we call it as acrobats. Okay, children, what we call this kind of dance? Acrobats. Once again, say along with me, acrobats. Right. Now, let's see all the pictures once again. Okay. Now you all know the names of the pictures, right? Now you need to repeat along with me. Okay, children? Shall I start? Yes. Wow. What is this? Come on, say along with me. Apple. Right? Apple. Alligator. Alligator. Astronaut. Astronaut. Ant. Ant. Aspen. Aspen. Axe. Axe. acrobats. A, acrobats. Okay, children. Now you all know this sound, right? And you know how this sound looks like. Shall I show you that also? Yes. Now I will show the sound which we practiced now, how it looks like. Okay? See. This is the sound A. What is this sound, children? A. Now tell along with auntie. A. Okay. Now, how to trace this sound? Let me show how to trace this sound. Do you remember when we trace geometrical shapes, how we kept our fingers? See, we use only these two fingers and we need to tap the other fingers, right? See, tap the other fingers and only we need these two fingers. See, we need to bend the middle finger little down, right? Like this. You remember, right? When we trace a geometrical trace, we traced all the shape, keeping our fingers like this. Yes, children? Come on, keep your fingers like this and see. This is the head and this is the tail. What is this called? This is the head and this is the tail. We need to start from the head. Okay? Keep your two fingers together like this and see. You need to keep your fingers here. Now observe how I am tracing the sound A. Okay? A. Okay, children? Every time after tracing, you need to utter the sound. Remember this. Don't forget, every time you trace, after the tracing, you need to utter the sound. Okay? Now, practice once again. See how to keep the fingers like this. And where is the head of the letter? Here. Keep the fingers here and observe how I am tracing. A. Okay, children? I think now you got it. Now, with your mama's help, you need to practice this sound. And you need to trace the sound every day. Okay, children? See, I have given this book to you. You will all have this book where you can see the sound to trace and all the pictures which auntie told to you. Right now, right? You will have all the pictures in these. See? Apple, ant, axe. See? Alligator, astronaut, acrobats, aspen. You need to trace the sound. At the end, you need to utter the sound A and you need to read all the words. Okay? Every time I will share new sounds and you need to learn and practice them daily. Okay, children? You are good boy, good girls now. You will listen to auntie, right? We need to practice this sound daily. Next time, I'll come up with another new sound. Okay, children? Bye. Namaste. Have a good day.